This is a parliamentary dictation taken from Sir Kailash Chandra's shorthand transcription F35. Please exercise 441. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Sir, I rise to make a statement on the recent visit of the Foreign Secretary to the USA and other related issues which have been raised during 0 hour in the past few days. Para. The Foreign Secretary visited Washington March 9-11 for talks on matters of mutual interest. Indo-US consultations at the Foreign Secretary's level are a regular feature in our bilateral relations and generally cover the whole gamut of Indo-US ties. Para. Honorable members have in the past few days raised a number of pertinent issues relating to Indo-US relations. I would now like to address some of them specifically. Para. Honorable members made reference to the so-called Pentagon paper, extracts of which appeared in the US press on March 8, 1992. The paper is actually a draft which outlines USA's perceptions and strategies in relation to the entire world. The report is not a specific position paper on India or Pakistan. Para. The Foreign Secretary was instructed to immediately take up the negative references to India in his meetings with the Deputy Secretary and the Under Secretary of Defense. The Foreign Secretary conveyed our serious concern on the above. He was informed that this document was draft paper prepared by middle-level Pentagon officials and would be subject to review and modification. India's concerns have been noted by the US and modifications would be made to take them into account. The Foreign Secretary was categorically told that there was no perception at US policy making levels which reflected the negative references to India contained in the Pentagon paper. Officials of both the State Department and the National Security Council, with whom the Foreign Secretary raised India's concerns, informed him that the paper does not reflect the position of the US and various issues dealt with, and that it is subject to further review. Para. On the reported Pentagon advocacy for a continued substantial US military relationship with Pakistan, the Foreign Secretary strongly conveyed our views that while it was a bilateral matter between the United States and Pakistan, this would naturally have consequences in terms of Indian assessments and policy orientation. Para. I would now like to take up the issue of India's position regarding the non-proliferation treaty. There have been some misleading reports that have appeared in the press that India would sign NPT. Stop.